Hey, my beauties! You are going to love this video because today we're talking about something that matters more than looks, charm, or even flirting, making a girl feel comfortable around you. When a girl feels safe and relaxed in your presence, that's when the real connection starts growing. Comfort creates trust, and trust is what slowly turns attraction into something deeper. So if you want a girl to genuinely enjoy being around you, these small but powerful things can make a huge difference. 1. Listen to her without interrupting. One of the easiest ways to make a girl feel comfortable is simply listening when she talks. Give her your full attention instead of checking your phone or getting distracted. Let her finish her thoughts before responding. This shows that what she says actually matters to you. Girls notice when someone truly listens. It makes them feel respected and valued in the conversation. When she realizes she doesn't have to fight for your attention, she starts relaxing around you. Over time, this builds trust and emotional safety, and that comfort makes her enjoy your presence even more. 2. Speak in a calm and gentle way. The way you talk can affect how someone feels around you. Speaking calmly and kindly makes interactions feel relaxed instead of stressful. You don't have to be overly serious, but a soft and respectful tone can create a very comfortable environment. Girls often pay attention to energy more than words. If your presence feels calm and easygoing, she will naturally feel more at ease. Instead of feeling nervous or pressured, she can just be herself. That relaxed atmosphere makes conversations flow more naturally. And comfort like that is very attractive. Number 3, don't pressure her to open up quickly. Everyone takes time to feel emotionally safe with someone. If a girl feels rushed to share personal things, it can make her uncomfortable. Instead, allow conversations to develop naturally over time. Let her decide when she feels ready to open up. When someone feels that kind of patience, they start trusting you more. She knows she can talk when she wants without feeling forced. That freedom makes interactions feel much safer. Slowly, she may start sharing deeper thoughts with you, and those moments often build stronger connections. 4. Be playful and lighthearted. Comfort doesn't always come from serious conversations. Sometimes it grows through laughter and playful moments. Light teasing, jokes, or funny stories can create a relaxed vibe. It helps remove awkward tension between two people. When someone laughs with you, they start associating your presence with positive feelings. That makes spending time together feel enjoyable and easy. Playfulness shows that you're not taking everything too seriously. It helps her feel relaxed instead of nervous, and that energy often strengthens attraction naturally. 5. Respect her personal space. Physical and emotional boundaries are important for comfort. Respecting her space shows maturity and awareness. Instead of rushing physical closeness, allow things to develop naturally. Small gestures of respect often leave a strong impression. When a girl feels that her boundaries are respected, she feels safe around you. That safety makes her more likely to trust you. Over time, she may even become more comfortable initiating closeness herself. Respect creates emotional security, and emotional security is very attractive. Show genuine kindness. Kindness is one of the most comforting qualities someone can have. Simple gestures like checking if she got home safely or asking about her day can mean a lot. These actions show that you genuinely care about her well-being. Girls often remember these small acts of thoughtfulness. They reveal your character without needing big dramatic gestures. Kindness creates warmth in the relationship. It makes someone feel appreciated and cared for. And that warmth naturally builds comfort. Number 7, be yourself instead of trying too hard. Sometimes people try too hard to impress someone they like, but authenticity actually creates more comfort than perfection. When you act naturally, it makes the interaction feel genuine. She doesn't feel like she has to perform or impress you either. Real connections grow when both people can relax and be themselves. If you're comfortable being authentic, she will likely feel the same way. That mutual ease creates a stronger bond. Instead of feeling awkward or forced, the connection becomes natural. And that's what makes someone truly enjoy your presence. Making someone feel comfortable isn't about saying the perfect thing. It's about respect, kindness, and genuine energy. When a girl feels relaxed and safe around you, the connection becomes much stronger. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, What makes you feel comfortable around someone?